computers! Today we see 5 concepts of coding, and the theme for today is loop. Let's see what is that.
Loops let you repeat action. Sometimes you'll want to tell a program to do something many times, even 100 or 1,000 times. But instead of writing out the code all those times, you can use a loop. When you're coding and you want an action to repeat, no matter how many times, a loop's what you need. Loops let you repeat code. Now take a look at a real life loop. When I loop this code, when you're coding and you want an action to repeat, no matter how many times, a loop's what you need. Loops let you repeat code. Now take a look at a real life loop. When I loop this up, yo, this life of a programmer is pretty sweet. Cause when I have some code that I need to repeat, instead of writing it over and over, here's the scoop. All I've gotta do is set up a loop. Now, a for loop is one kind. It's how you repeat code a specific number of times. I have this robot and a lot of friends to feed, so I'll program it to maybe 100 burritos. To make one, I write code telling the robot to heat the tortilla, then add the beans, the rice, and the cheese. Then fold it and wrap it, but I want more. And writing that same code 100 times would be a bore. Or, all I've gotta do is write it once and program the robot that is making my lunch to run that code 100 times. That's a for loop. Now it's time for you to pass the line. Gimme. I press start and the loop begins. It makes one, loops 99 more times, and then it ends. And it's called an iteration. Each time the code repeats. Now let's eat burritos till we go to sleep. When you're coding and you want an action to repeat, no matter how many times, a loop's what you need. Loops let you repeat code. Now take a look at a real life loop. When I loop this up, when you're coding and you want an action to repeat, no matter how many times, a loop's what you need. Loops let you repeat code. Now take a look at a real life loop. When I loop this up. So, how did I write that code for my bot? Here's a way to set it up. Check what I've got. I use a counter called Burritos Made to keep track of the number of burritos on my plate. Burritos Made starts at 0, 'cause before we start cooking I have 0, you hear? The code makes one burrito each time it iterates and increases the counter by one burrito made. Come on. I start with 0 and get one burrito. Yum. And the counter moves up from 0 to 1. Then it loops and makes another burrito. Now I've got 2. This code is pretty sweet, yo. It keeps looping till the counter hits 99, and then it loops just one last time and makes a final burrito. Now I have 100. Then it stops, cause you know I don't need another. I mean, I'll take one though if there are a couple left with the guacamole on it. Oh, loops, 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 loops.
Have you watched the video? Have you enjoyed it? I loved it! So now we are gonna see what is a loop. Yeah, because now I think it's more clear. A loop, guys, is a repeating a step more than one time. Yes, remember that the computer follow our instructions because the computer do nothing. The computers, they don't do nothing without our instructions. So we say to the computer when she starts an action, then we say the number of times that we want to. Can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. But also we need to say stop. Yes, fair challenge. So now, I'm sorry. For this we need to grab a chair, but it's better. Let's watch the video. Yes.
Today I'm going to show you an example of loop. I'm going to show Kimberly how to go around the chair 3 times and then stop. First, I'm going to do it without using a loop. Kimberly, go around the chair and then stop when you get to the front. Go around the chair and then stop when you get to the front. camera, stop when you get to the front, and then sit down. Now I'm going to show you an example of loop. You can really go around the turn 3 times, then stop, then sit down. 1, 2, 3. So that was the example of loop. Bye!
Guys, the next example, I call it the trace challenge. Yes, what do we need to do? We are gonna raise our hand and then we are going to use only one finger. This finger will draw whatever we want to, okay? Let's start. I'm gonna do this. What is that? Any? Let me do it on the screen. Yes! This is what I draw with my finger on the air. For this, okay, whatever you like. You can trace whatever you like. You can trace the letter E, a triangle, a square, a circle, whatever you like. What else we need to do? We need to get our materials. We need to get our papers, our pencil, or maybe some colors. And whatever we draw on the air, we need to draw in our papers. Yes, this is the exercise. What did you draw? Show me. Send me a picture. Guys, let's do this example. I call it the action challenge. It means that we can do any action we like it. And I choose the girl. Here we saw the girl that what she's doing? She's brushing her teeth. And she requires to brush her teeth more than one time for sure, until it will be clean. Make sense? Yes. What she's doing, she's looping. She loops, in this case, she's looping how many times? 10 times. Yes. Now let's go with the guy. Okay, we are with the guy already. Hello. And this guy is dancing. And the guy as well, in this challenge, he needs to dance 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds. No, he needs to dance more and repeating. Oh, already dancing. We need to repeat this action over and over again. It means that we need to loop. Yes, we need to loop. Let's do with another example. Let's go. Go, go, go. This example is the challenge, the video challenge. And I'm gonna use a pineapple. Yes, I'm gonna use a pineapple. But this is the pineapple that I want? No! Wait, the camera moved a little bit, sorry. And it's my fan! I've already have it mine. Yes, it's the same. So, I'm gonna use my fan for doing a loop, right? I need to do a loop. But how it's gonna work? I do the action.
Guys, it's summer. Yes. And 3 times. 2 more.
Great. Yes, I'm drawing. I'm sorry. 3 times plus 2 times. We have 5. We loop 5 times. Which action? We loop 5 times. Very good. So now let's do it more a challenge. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let me finish this. We loop 5 times. This is a offline practice. I'm sorry, I think I'm running. This is a offline practice. Let's loop. We have again the loop. We have the loops. Now we need to help our beautiful spider here to find a yummy bag to eat. We need to count how many times the spider should climb one web to the next one. Let's start with the first one. We have our beautiful spider. How many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. And then she got the back. It means that we need to do it here. We need to write 3 times. Yes, we loop again 3 times. Let's do it the next exercise. We already have the spider. How many loops? How many repetitions that she need to do? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops. 5 loops. We put the number 5. Next one. This line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 loops. Very good. Let's go to the next exercise. We have a bunny here. You need to do the same. You need to help the bunny to find the yummy carrots to eat and count how many times, how many loops, how many repetitions the bunny should jump from one to the next one. What else do we have? We have a frog, and we need to help the frog as well. We need to count how many times, how many loops, how many repetitions, okay? And the same as well with the penguin. Finally, guys, we have the homework. We need to make a video or take a picture about any loop you can do and send it. Before Friday? No, dismiss this information, please. Not before Friday. Just send it. I'm gonna be more than happy to see all of these examples. Bye.